Here's one you won't see every day. 1992 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 in purple haze metallic. 25th anniversary of the Camaro, 1992. Best thing about this, also has a 5.7 liter tuned Ford injected engine. Only available in the Z28 option, and only about 3,000 produced with that engine. Now, this particular car did have the level 3 convenience package added to it, as well as some other free flow options. This is a very nicely equipped Z28. Best part about it, 6,995 miles showing on it right now. So let me go through some of those options with you. Just that Z28 convenience 3 package is going to have, that's where your windows, power windows, power locks, the AC, the power hatch, sport mirrors, power driver's seat, electronic speed control, resume, vanity mirrors with lights, and there's a few others that I'm missing. Some things in the compartment in the rear, and then on top of that you have some more equipment added, as well as the automatic with overdrive, performance axle ratio, ZR rated tires, custom gray cloth interior, rear window defogger. So again, just a highly optioned 92 Z28. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, in those still pictures, you can check out the underside of this, the engine bay, window sticker, so you can check out all those options. Everything is going to be sent with this car that goes with it. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. It's a little bit about the options on the car, and as you can see, paint, very nice shape on this car. Nice luster to it. And again, original color, purple haze metallic. I believe they may have called it Hawaiian Orchid also. Great cloth interior, center console. Of course, buckets in it. And the interior is just as nice as the exterior in this car. And I do believe these are the original tires that would have came with this car. I have the date code pictured along with the wheel pictures and tire pictures. That is a factory wing. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Riding on the original wheels also. And again, you can see up and down the sides of this car how straight it is. Again, considering this car's age, it's over 20 years old now. Pushing 30. Very nice shape. You'll find a few imperfections here and there in the paint, but overall, very, very nice. And check out the underside. Underside is extremely clean. Wait to see the floor pans in this. Dash, you can tell this car is not sat out in the sun. It is not sun faded, weather checked. Interior dash, seats, anything like that. Alright, so door panels, all original also. You can tell there's not a lot of wear on the armrests. Power locks, power mirrors, mounted up on the side panels. Again, power driver's seat, power windows, electronic rear hatch release. AC blows cold in this car. Wipers worked, radio worked, everything I played around with, functioning. Alright, let's fire this up so you hear it run. There are no indicator lights on. Any sort of warning, anything like that. There's your miles, 6,995, you can see that. And again, that's all in the still pictures also. Higher end AM FM electronic radio with the cassette player. Wow. Incredibly nice shape on the interior. Slip around to the back of this. Sounds like you'd expect. Did not see any modifications, anything like that. Stock. Sounds good. I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood. So take a look at this engine bay. Alright, there's a 5.7 liter TPI V8, 245 horse. Only available in the Z28 package. And it was not standard in the Z28. This one has, I believe it's $300 charge. You can check that out on the window sticker when you look at the still pictures of this car. Smooth running, like I said, AC blows cold. I hope you can see this hood liner with the light. The hood liner's in like brand new shape also. How many times do the lights underneath the hood still work? So there you go. You're looking for a car you're not going to see every day. You're into Camaros, maybe a collector. Here it is, 1992 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Purple haze metallic, low mile car, just under 7,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you check out all the pictures. Check out the window sticker, the owner's manual, all the stuff that's going to come with this car. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.